Hi, I'm in Blender 2.8 and I'm going to show you how to line up all vertices. So basically I've got here just a cube and I'm going to mess it up and then we're going to line up all the vertices after. So basically I need to tab to go into edit mode and let's make the cube a little bit bigger. So I'll press the move button, make it a bit bigger, go to tab again, nope, select all, Control R to add some vertices, click, escape, and then scroll in, and then press the middle mouse button to move around, and we're going to click on one edge while we're in edge mode up here. Double click on the edge mode and you'll notice that it selects the whole edge. Now if you come up here straight up on the top, you'll see proportional editing. If you click that, you'll be able to move this object around with your left button clicked on the mouse. Now if you keep holding down that left button on the mouse and you scroll in and out with that scrolly thing on your mouse, really tricky to get used to, you can do some pretty cool funny things with your, look at that, it's all wonky. Awesome. Okay. So we've got a pretty cool, like, wonky thing going on here. Now, if I want to make that back to line up all the vertices, keep it in edge mode and double click on one of the edges. But make sure that you turn off proportional editing, because that's so going to mess up making that straight again. Now what you need to do is press S and Y and 0, and now that makes it all back to straight again. Double click on this edge, doesn't matter which one you click on, S, Y, 0, it's back to being straight again. Double click on this, S and Y and 0. And this one, S, Y, 0. There you go, you're back to having a straight building again, or box, or whatever you want to make. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.